Welcome in SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edupedia. I am Assistant Professor Deepak Gawade. Today we are going to learn a topic from copywriting subject of TYBMMC. Dear students, all of you watch different types of advertisements on the television. These advertisements are very creative and everybody is curious to know what is the production process of this advertisement. So in copywriting subject today we will learn what is TVC production process. TVC means television commercial. So let's start our topic. In this lecture we will learn about what is TVC, what is the interest of TVC, when we need TVC, then what are the various principles of TVC productions, and then different stages of TVC production process. There is a stage 1 means step 1, advertiser brief, advertising agency. In step 2, development of innovative ideas. Then in step 3, production process is there, and step 4, censorship and publishing. So as a student of TYBMMC advertising, and we are learning copywriting subject, so in that we have to make one TVC. So let's try to understand what is the process of production of TVC. So first try to understand what is TVC. TVC means television commercial. Television commercial, it is a form of advertising in which goods, services, organizations, ideas, etc. are promoted via the medium of television. So this is quite familiar. All advertisements are quite familiar to all of us. We watch TV and we watch advertisements on television also. What is the duration of these advertisements? Starting from 10 seconds to 3 minutes is the maximum duration of any advertisement. Now, what is the interests of TVC? Means what are the purposes? Why any company or any organization broadcast television advertisement? So the basic purposes are to introduce the product, then make people switch product. If suppose one person is using XYZ product and we are promoting our brand, so we induce that particular customer to switch the product. Then we remind the customers the existence of a product in the market. Again and again we are hammering the name of the product on the mind of the customers. So it shows our existence in the market. So these are the basic purposes of TVC. When we need TVC, so there are different categories of TVC and all categories always have TVC. So it depends on the marketing strategy of the company, especially the communication strategies. Then a marketing director approves the expenses, how much expenses we can spare for television advertisements. There are some campaigns at that time the help of TVC is taken. Now let's try to understand what are the principles of television commercial production. We want to give the key message to our audience. It should be single-minded and should deliver only one message whenever we are producing or making any TV ad. So at the time it should be clear in the mind of the ad maker that we have to deliver only single message and it should be single-minded. Then brand association should be there. The advertisement should be correctly associated with the brand and the brand should be recalled many times in the advertisement. And your concept of advertisement should be unique, that it should not be copied from somewhere and it should be very new. That's why it is said that advertising is a creative process. And purchase intention. Then basic purpose of any advertisement is that to persuade the audiences to purchase the product. Means these are the prospective customers and we try to persuade their mind that after watching the particular ad they should purchase that particular product. So that is the main intention of any advertisement. Now let's try to understand TVC production development mapping, that how this process goes on. See, there is a client means who wants to make the advertisement for the product. The client comes to the advertising agency, means client brief the advertising agency what actually he wants, means that is the advertising brief, that is the first step. Then advertising agency personals present innovative ideas, they give the storyline to the client, that is the second step. Then advertising, after finalizing these things, means once the client gives the approval to the ideas given by the advertising agency, then it goes for the production process, that is the third step. When it reaches to the production house, the production house records all the things, and after production house work is done, it goes to the media or the television for broadcasting. So this is the way or the steps we can call it, the advertisement is made. Step 1, advertiser brief advertising agency. Whatever the organization wants to highlight, that we call as a client. So our client means we are advertising agency and our client is the brand or the company who wants to make the advertisement. Okay, so they know what are the consumer insights, what is the market status of the particular brand. So everything is given to advertising agency, means briefings goes on there. Client brief to the advertising agency again rebrief to the client, means these are the process. Creative briefs goes on, and after that they develop the innovative ideas, means account executive and creative director, they briefs the creative team, which involves the art director, copywriter and artists. And after finalizing the ideas, it goes to the account executives and creative director. Then the ideas are presented to the client, and if the client approves the ideas, then it goes again for the approval and it goes for making of the storyboard. Then actual production is there in step 3. Then what are the stages of production? The first stage is pre-production, second is production, and third one is post-production. Let's try to understand how it goes on, how it works. Production process. The first is pre-production. So first pre-production is that advertising agency brief the storyboard. If the storyboard is prepared, then it goes to the production house. Then if animation is involved in the advertisement, it goes to the animators who work on it. They add the animation and then it goes to the client. This is the first pre-production. Then post pre-production meeting, everything is discussed in the meeting about shooting board, who will be the actors and actresses, how it will be recorded, where, and everything, what will be the music, what type of photos will be shown, how the video will go on, everything is discussed in this meeting. Then it goes again for second pre-production meeting, means again if suppose some revision should be done, so it is made there, and then contract is signed and it goes for the final pre-production meeting. Then production house presents what property or what wardrobe they will use, and client finalizes the product package, label, how it should be shown. The client briefs the advertising agency, the production house, and the advertising agency gives the quotation to the client. They take the down payment and then the contract is finalized. And then the next step, that is the production, means the actual shooting of the television commercial. Then different people are involved in the shooting process. Producer is there, director is there, then there is a first director assistant, then second director assistant, lighting team is there, casting team, cameraman, camera assistant, and the talents, means those who will perform in the particular advertisement. So actually shooting is often done in a single day. Then after completing the shooting, it goes to the post-production department. So post-production department, what happens? Editing is done offline. Then if suppose graphics should be added in, then graphics are added. Then online approval is taken of the client, and if the client approves it, then voice recording, music is added in it. Then it goes for censorship. If everything is okay, if the censorship is sanctioned, then it goes for the final publishing. So master tape has been dubbed multi-tapes and released to media networks. So the advertisement is ready for publishing. So this is all about how television commercial is produced. These are the steps and the process of the television commercial. I hope you all understood this very well, and now you are ready that you can make advertisement at your own. Thank you very much.